Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another session of GK. Students, today we will start new lesson number 4, pollution and pollutants. Now, let us start question answer session. Take the correct answer. Number 1. Chemical pesticides often do more harm than good because option A, they kill everything that comes in contact with them, and option B, they alter the balance of nature being they alter the balance of nature between living things. Answer is option B. They alter the balance of nature between living things. Pesticides can contaminate soil, water, turf, and other vegetation. In addition to killing insects or weeds, pesticides can be toxic to a host of other organisms, including birds, fish, beneficial insects, and non target plants. That means it affects the ecosystem. Next question. Dust bowls are created by dash. Option 1. Option A, clearing trees so destroying the natural life forms that feed the soil. And option B, dry winds blowing in form desert. Answer is option A. Clearing trees so destroying the natural life forms that feed the soil. The term Dust Bowl was originally a reference to the geographical area affected by the dust. Today, it usually refers to the event itself. The term dirty 30s is also sometimes used. The drought and erosion of the Dust Bowl affected 10 crore acres that centered on the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma and touched adjacent sections of New Mexico, Colorado, and Kansas. Drought, unusually high temperatures, poor agricultural practices, and the resulting wind erosion all contributed to making Dust Bowl. Next question. Pesticides affect breeding by dash. Option A, killing the animals. Option B, causing infertility in birds so the eggs do not hatch. Answer is option B, causing infertility in birds so their eggs do not hatch. Pesticides cause many adverse effects on the health of birds. These can include a reduction in the amount of food consumed, loss of weight, changes in physical activity, and a decrease in the production, fertility, or hatchability of eggs. Next question. What is an obvious way of polluting the seas? Option A, swimming in water. Option B, allowing discharge of oil by tankers. Answer is option B, allowing discharge of oil by tankers. Marine pollution occurs when harmful effects result from the entry into the ocean of chemicals, particles, industrial, agriculture, and residential waste. Ships are major contributors to ocean pollution, especially when crude oil spills occur. Crude oil, crude oil lasts for years in the ocean and is difficult to clean up. Next question. What damage does oil pollution cause? Option A, it makes water greasy. Option B, it poisons the food of the animals and fishes and destroy their natural water course. Answer is option B. It poisons the food of the animals and fishes and destroys their natural water course. Oil spills can coat the feathers of birds, making flying impossible and removing the natural insulation and waterproofing the feathers provide. This leaves the birds susceptible to hypothermia or overheating. Attempts to remove the oil through pruning also causes birds to swallow oil, which causes some organ damage. Next question. Name two metals that are harmful pollutants. Option A, lead and mercury. Option B, iron and steel. Answer is option A, lead and mercury. Heavy metals such as cadmium, lead, and mercury can result in serious health risks, for example, lung damage, kidney diseases, nerve system failures, etc., and can be harmful to the environment, for example, soil and water pollution, accumulation in plants. Next question. Which of these is not biodegradable? Option A, wood. Option B, plastic. Answer B. Answer B. Option B, plastic. A non-biodegradable material can be defined as kind of substance which cannot be broken down by natural organisms and act as a source of pollution. Most plastics are non-biodegradable, that is, they do not decompose automatically when buried under soil or immersed in water. Most plastics are non-biodegradable mainly because plastic is widely used because of its low cost, versatility and durability. This durability is partially based on plastic being an uncommon target for bacteria, which makes it non-biodegradable. Now students, let us see fun fact. One of the most important measures to counter pollution is by planting trees. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.